What's going on everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm going to review Vocalizer Bundle 2020. I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and most importantly I'm going to show you how to finally get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond with this and my unique bonus package that I'm going to include if you grab this through my link, of course. This is a no-brainer. I have a lot of things to cover with you today here. I'm super pumped about this. So what you need to do is pay attention, watch the whole video, and so you don't miss out on any important information here regarding this unique opportunity to get started to make money online with. Let's get started. Alright, so first let's have a quick look here at the sales page. You can see here Vocalizer Bundle, ton of like voices in many languages. You get combined power of both Amazon and Google to naturally voice over your scripts without spending thousands of dollars. So this is actually not one, but you are going to get two softwares, professional softwares here, text-to-speech voice-over softwares. And you can see here it is Newcast Vocalizer and WaveNet Vocalizer for less than 1/4 of the price here, the regular price. But first, let me explain a little bit. This is so important because in having a video, let's say for example that you upload a video on YouTube, it is super important to have voices on this, okay? And probably a lot of you are lacking in this. You don't want to record your own voice there because you think that it's not good and so on. Problem solved here today for you because we are going to actually use this software. I'm going to demonstrate, as I said earlier here, on how easy it is. And also how about, let's say for example, if you would have purchased voiceovers for your videos, you can quickly see here the prices. These are just for 30 and 60-second voiceovers. It goes anywhere from $100 and up, okay? And so, I mean, you're going to save yourself thousands of dollars by using these softwares. Now, I'm going to show you actually a few different ways and methods on how you can use this together with my bonus package also. Let's have a look first at the sales page, a little bit more here. So if I scroll down, this is 100% cloud-based software. It's available on both platforms. It is a point and click. I'm going to show you, this takes seconds actually to do. You can create unlimited numbers of voiceovers. It includes free updates, and you have also a commercial license included here. And this is a revolutionary technology for both Amazon and Google because they are using two different softwares here. So here are some samples. Okay, I'm just going to play something for you real quick here.
Hi. My name is Ben and I have been delegated to introduce you to the project.
Okay, you could hear that it is really outstanding. Okay, it's definitely one of the best softwares that I heard with voiceovers here. So,
which turned out to be a great success.
Okay, let's go.
Experience possible while you enjoy Hello, my name is Karen.
Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate to you anyway later, so you can have a look at this for yourself actually. But look at this, there are so many voices here that it is included. All these names here are included. This is amazing, okay? And the cool thing here is that it's not only English, okay? First we have English Australian, British, Indian, Welsh, we have French, we have Chinese, German, Hindi. There are so many languages. Just to give you a quick idea here. Let's say for example that you do an affiliate review, okay? You do a product review. Now how about do it in all these languages? I mean, people would pay more attention if they hear something in their own language, okay? So let's say that you are focusing on the Spanish market for an affiliate product and you have a Spanish spoken voiceover there. So that is just to give you one quick idea, okay? You can use the same video there and I'm going to show you how quickly you can do videos also. So let me scroll down a little bit here. I don't think actually I'm not going to show you anymore, but I want to dive in here on the opportunities actually real quick. So what you can do is one of these is you can actually Let's say, for example, that you're going to create a video based on your script and using stock videos and images here. You can see here that this guy sells this for 23 euros. It is approximately around $25 here for just one video production. So if I go here and check out for, let's say, for example, create video with stock footage, okay? So I'm going to explain to you how easy this is to do actually with my bonus package there. So you can see here that there is a lot of gigs that can do this. But look at this, I opened this up earlier here. I will create a professional stock footages explainer video. Now, while it starts at $5, $4.70 is $5 here. If I scroll down a little bit, look at this. Okay, so this is only for 10 seconds. For 30 seconds, with voiceover, the gig is suddenly up to $50. So you can earn $50 here real quick, and I mean real quick here. I'm going to show you. And if you go up to 60 to 90 seconds, we are up to $150. 141 euros is approximately $150. Okay, so this is so easy to do. I'm going to show you everything here. Bear with me. This is another example, create animated marketing videos. If you happen to do that, you can do this with other softwares I've showed in the past here, like Doodleos, for example. You could do a combination of this actually. Look at this, we have 30 seconds animated video, scripting. This is 56, it's approximately around $60. If you go up to 60 seconds, it's 120, and here we are almost up to $200. So I hope that you realize that there is a huge potential for you here to make money online with this today, okay? Now, you're probably saying, but okay, I can't do videos. I'm going to explain to you real soon here. So let me just give you a quick example here, okay? We have Ted woodworking plan. I'm so pumped here today, actually, so I can't even speak. So we had Ted's woodworking plan. I just typed Ted's woodworking review, and when people are searching for this, let's say, for example, this one, let me open it up here. Okay, I've shown this in the past in some of my videos. So if I just play it a little bit here, let's do like this. Okay, only text and music. Now imagine if there was a voiceover. Imagine to do this in a few different languages. Okay, upload this so people are having a look at it in Ted's woodworking plan. I'm just playing around here, okay? So I'm just giving you a few quick ideas here. It would definitely have ranked much higher, convert much better, it will sound and look much more professional by just adding a voice on this kind of videos. Now, how are you going to do these kind of videos? These are super easy to do, and I'm going to make it a no-brainer for you here today with my unique bonus package. So what is my unique bonus package? Well, this is Audiovideomastery. You can go to audiovideomastery.com and you can see it. It sells for $27 here. What you learn here is you can learn how to create audio and video productions like a pro, fast and easy, that converts with results. So if I scroll down a little bit here, I started actually to create this course because I thought that back then with Camtasia the sound wasn't good. Okay, so if you don't know my background, I have been created with my team well over 20,000 radio commercials for almost 2 decades now. So I do know a few things about audio and video also there. And audio is 50% in professional video production. So that is why it's so important to have good sound and of course have voiceovers also in the productions there. But a lot of people, they lack, of course, they don't want to talk in the microphone there. They think that they are not good, for example, in the accent or whatever. So that is solved today, okay? We have a solution for that. Now, anyway, I created 10 over-the-shoulder trainings video total here. And the difference here is that I don't show only benefits, okay? So this is how you cut, this is how you paste, and so on. But what I do show you is actually real live examples of videos that I uploaded, and I show you everything from start to finish, okay? So first we have the make your video sound like a pro. There's 2 tutorials here. And then we have how you can make a great tutorial video. You see here, I show you everything inside here. I show you shortcuts, how you should go, how to make a complete production. This is a much better way to learn, in my opinion, because you always forget everything when you really need it. This is a practical way you can start to follow along and see how to make a complete production. I have 2 videos here about creating tutorial videos, how to create ready-made animation templates, make a pro production here to stand out. This was a YouTube video on one of my channels. You see here I have everything, show you exactly how to do this. And this is one of the most important videos that you'll need, because here is how you can create with royalty-free footage stock videos. Okay, I show you where to find this kind of videos, how to do a complete production. I did this with my own voice here. Now I can just replace it with the voices here. So let me demonstrate you a little bit first of the softwares here also. We are at WaveNet Vocalizer. This is how it looks when you get started. You just add a new project here. So let's do test 2 or something. Here you can pick from the languages. So let's stick with English US. Here you can listen at the sample of the voices. You see here we have a few voices to pick from.
How it's going? It's Noah and I hope I...
Okay, so we can pick actually here where we want to have it storage. We can have a local storage, it stays for 48 hours. We have Dropbox, we have Amazon S3 and Google Drive. Pick whatever you want here. And here we are going to paste the text. So I have something that I prepared here to save ourselves some time. So I'm just going to copy and paste. This is really copy and paste. Now what you need to do is just click on create. Okay. So, boom, it took just a few seconds and we are ready to listen to this.
Did you know that it's important to have voice in your YouTube videos? Let me show you how to do this very easy. I'm going to demonstrate the WaveNet Vocalizer for you. One of the best ways to use this is you can create YouTube videos without using your own voice. This is perfect because it will help you with your YouTube videos to rank higher, increase conversions, and look more professional with professional sounding voiceovers.
Okay, I mean, how cool is that? This sounds really as close to a real voiceover as it can. All you have to do now is just click the download here and add it and implement it wherever you're going to use it, okay? If it is going to be your YouTube video or whatever it's going to be. So you can quickly change here for another voice, okay? But I'm not going to show you anymore here, but what I wanted to show you also the new cast vocalizer. It works pretty much the same way here. So if I just go back here, you can see here I just did something here to save ourselves some time. So let's go in here and edit. Okay, let's say for example that we want... let's see, let's take English, British, and let's go for a female this time, okay?
All voices in this video were generated by Newscaster Vocalizer.
Okay, let's see here if we have something else. We have neural and we have standard. Let's see what Amy...
Sample text.
Pretty nice. Let's see what Emma sounds.
Sample text.
Okay, let's take Sandra here for example, and let's go for the update. So you can see here it starts now to create this file here, okay? It's processing and it says please visit, but it will take you just a few seconds. I mean, I hope that you realize how fast you can create videos and audio, of course, with this voiceover software and together with my unique bonus package. So look at this here now.
Do you want me to demonstrate the Newscaster Vocalizer for you? One of the best ways to use this is you can create YouTube videos without using your own voice. You can create the videos on other languages to separate and increase your sales with affiliate marketing.
Okay, I'm going to stop it. You could hear it. This is really super nice, outstanding. You can create and crank out voiceovers here in no time. You saw how fast it went there. And together with my unique bonus package, it is a no-brainer for you to get started to make money online in 2020 and beyond. I mean, if I just go back here to Fiverr, okay, look at this. You can be in a video editor. This is just to give you a quick example. You can see here I will basically edit any video. So with doing a little bit practice, watching my tutorials, you can get started to apply to edit videos also. There are really no limits together with this package I'm going to include here for you today. It's going to be available only during the launching period. And these two softwares actually sells for $69 each normally. But this is going to be the bundle package here now. It sells for $37, and you are going to get my own course there as well. So you have saved yourself a couple of $100 here, and of course you are going to educate yourself to make money online in 2020 and beyond with this. You're going to find a link here below. If you're on the YouTube video, it's going to be in the description. If you are on my site, you're going to find links here below. What you need to do is, this is going through Clickbank. So when you have purchased it through my link, of course, you will have to send me your receipt. I'm going to leave the email here below in the description. You're going to have to send me the receipt there, and as soon as possible, as I see it, I will give you instant access to Audiovideomastery there. There you have it. A no-brainer. Make sure you take advantage of this now to get started to finally make money online in 2020 and beyond. I hope that you got some value here also. A lot of tips and tricks here on this, how you can use this, of course. If you are new also here, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified every time you find a new video. I upload a new video, and hit the like button there as well. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm looking forward to see you succeed with this package here and see you inside my members area. Take care.